How to make a PlentyOfFish account on phone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for PlentyOfFish on mobile. And if you don't know how to create a PlentyOfFish account on your phone, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So to create a POF account, open PlentyOfFish app on your smartphone. And you can download PlentyOfFish from Google Play Store as well as App Store. Now here to create your PlentyOfFish account, tap on continue. Here select your gender and tap on next. Now here select your ethnicity and tap on next. Here enter your first name and tap on next. And here enter your birthday and tap on OK and then tap on next. And here you can use your location to prioritize matches from nearby instead of the other sides of the world. So you can turn on location on your phone. Right now I'm gonna tap on no thanks. And again I'm gonna tap on no thanks. Now here select your country and then select your state and then select your city and here enter your postal code and then tap on next. Now here enter your email address and tap on next. Now here you have to create your username. Also you have to create and confirm your password. So let me do this real quick. After creating your username and password, here first you have to check this box if it was unchecked. Now after that, tap on continue. And here you can rate your account has been created. Now let's build a profile to show up everything that's make you you. Now here tap on I'm ready. And here you have to select your dating preference. So select all these preference and then tap on next. So let me do this real quick. And here write down your occupation and select your education and select your ambition and select your income and here select your religion and second language and then tap on next. Now here select your marital status and select your longest relationship. Choose your eye color, choose your hair color, select your height, select your body type and tap on next. And here select what personality best describes you. And here tell more about yourself. And then tap on next. And here tell more about you. After selecting all of the above, tap on next. And here you have to write down a headline. And your headline is a message to everyone who finds you about who you are and what you are about. Here you can ask a question, you can share an interesting fact, or you can just have fun. So let me write my headline real quick. And then I'm gonna click on next. And here you have to write down your hobbies, dreams and favorite memories. So let me write down real quick. After sharing your goals, hobbies and favorite memory, tap on next. And here write down your favorite topics for conversation. And then tap on next. Now here add your interest. And then tap on next. And now you have to verify your account. So tap on get started. And here select your country code and write down your phone number. After putting your phone number, click on next. And here enter the 6-digit code that PlentyOfFish sent to your phone number. So let me enter my code here. After putting your code, tap on finish. And it is verified now. Now here upload your profile picture. So tap on here. And you can read photo guidelines. So based on that, add your photo. Also you can take a photo and also you can upload from Facebook. But here I'm gonna add a photo from my gallery. Here also you can upload more photo if you want, but right now I'm not gonna do it. After uploading your photo, tap on next. And then tap on next. And now here click on I pledge. And that's it. This way you can create your PlentyOfFish account and set up your PlentyOfFish profile. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to change email address of your PlentyOfFish account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.